What is up guys, Tanner this side. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Steam disk not writing error. So first, head over to the Steam application by just simply clicking on this. And when you are inside the Steam application, on the left side, you need to click on Steam and then click on Settings. After clicking on Settings, you need to head over to the Download section. And from here, you need to click on Clear Cache and then click on Confirm. So this will clear all the cache from the Steam and this will just simply shut down the Steam application. So just simply reopen it, and when the Steam application is reopened, head over to the settings again by just clicking on the Steam logo on the left side. And then from here, you need to click on storage. And after clicking on storage, simply click on the three dots and then click on repair library to repair all the features or all the issues in the library. Click on yes. So this will start repairing the library. And after that, when the library has been repaired, simply just restart your Steam application or you can just let it be. So this will solve the disk writing error issue. That was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.